Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 5-inch IPS touchscreen special for older years from Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, older years model. Okay, you can check this UI interface, and it comes with this special harness and the canvas box. And this canvas box come with the head unit together. Okay, let me show head unit. You can check this receptacle is microphone, its volume. All apps are here, and you can open the radio, search the radio stations. And this knob, next knob, you can check. And there are two SD card slots, SD card slot on this front panel. Okay, it's built-in microphone. This home button. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. This Belsee, you can choose the Jeep and the other logo in here. Okay, you can change the theme color. It's blue, it's red. Okay, all apps are here. This DSP amplifier. EQ, balance, okay, and it's built in Google Maps, Play Store. You can download applications from Play Store. This speed play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can connect it. Okay, let me back to home. And this is the information. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can check show Wi-Fi, and you can check this belsee.com. This is our website, belsee.com. And this Tesla model and head unit. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay. We check the settings. And storage, you can check total 64 GB. And BAT motion, you can check this PX6 chip and the Android 9 Pie system. Okay, First, let me introduce the Bluetooth. You can open the Bluetooth. It's device name and the pin number. Okay, you can check. Open the Bluetooth from your phone and click search button to get the device name. Connecting Galaxy phone. Okay, put the 40 34. Click OK. Okay, it shows Bluetooth icon and show Bluetooth icon connected. Paired device. This pin number 40. Okay, you can make phone call. Let me connect it again. Okay, it works. Work with Bluetooth free phone call. Okay. And you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth stream music from your phone. Okay, let me show music. The header unit comes with 2 USB cable. This USB driver, let me connect one of USB. It will play music automatically. You can check. Let me show video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car settings, driver settings, turn on the watch video, play video game. It's 4K video. Support play 4K video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website, belsee.com. Okay, thank you.